everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun summer vlog. I actually posted a poll with some different YouTube videos and I think this one got the most votes just to do like a fun summer vlog, a few days in my life. I'm actually filming this intro at the end of the vlog. It's been a really fun last couple of weeks. I went to a concert, went to a museum. I have just been doing a bunch of fun things recently that I've been vlogging. I feel like my voice is a little bit raspy still from going to a concert a couple days ago. I went to the Tomlinson concert. Louis from One Direction, if you don't know who he is. It was so much fun. I had like really good seats. And of course I was like screaming the whole time. I also have a really big life update at some point in the video. I'm excited to hear your guys' thoughts on that. I'd love to know what you guys have been doing this summer, like the highlight of your summer, maybe something that's already happened or something that you're looking forward to. Also, I wanted to show you guys my new pill case. This is from Josie. I get their ads all the time on Instagram and TikTok and I just think they're like the cutest little pill organizers. They have some different sizes, but this is the 7-day one. It looks like this. This was actually collab with Anthropology. I think the polka dots are so cute. It looks like this: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then you just put all of your supplements or pills in here. It's also very lightweight and very sleek, very aesthetic. If you're curious, my daily supplement, I have the Ritual multivitamin. You take 2 capsules. That is my favorite multivitamin that I tried. It has like a minty essence. This is the Ritual. I can't remember, I know it helps your skin. And I've heard really good things about it, but I haven't taken it like super consistently. This is the prebiotic from Ritual. I really like this one. I've taken this one in the multivitamin consistently and I actually have noticed a difference. And then I have 2 capsules of an omega-3. A nutritionist recommended for me to take these because of my migraines. They help with inflammation. It seems like a lot, but I feel like they all have a purpose. I actually have a code with Ritual, so I'll put that here on screen if you guys want to check them out. I'll link it below. I love that Rituals have clean and traceable ingredients. They're third-party tested. I'll also link this cute little pill case. Just got to my facial appointment. I feel so pampered. I rarely get facials, but I literally got one last month. I'm getting one today, and then I'm also getting one in a month from now. I've been working with some different estheticians in local spas to create content for them, so that's why I've been getting so many facials lately. Today I'm going to Face Foundry. I think I'm going to be getting the Foundry Glow facial, as well as a Hungarian massage as like an add-on. I might also get my lashes touched up. It's been like 6 or 7 weeks. Usually a lash lift and tint will last 6 to 8 weeks. I feel like they're definitely looking a little bit lighter, but they still have a pretty decent curl to them. I want to get them done right before my trip so they're nice and fresh. Let's go. Here is my skin before. I'm actually breaking out quite a bit right here. I don't know what is going on. Perfect time to get a facial when you're breaking out. Here is what my skin looks like. It's so glowy. It is so relaxing. She did a shoulder massage, a scalp massage. I also got a Hungarian facial massage. She also put like an oxygen mask or moisturizer. I can't remember what she said it was. Kills bacteria in the skin. As you can see, I'm having some breakouts right now. And she also did some extractions, which is why my skin looks a little bit irritated. Overall, it looks so glowy and it feels so good and like hydrated and healthy. Also got my lashes touched up. She just did like a lash tint because I actually had a really good curl still from the last time I went, which was about 6 or 7 weeks ago. Basically like having mascara on without having mascara on. She also gave me some really good tips on my skincare routine. I've had a hard time like just coming up with a good routine. She said for my skin type to add in an exfoliator like the Polish Choice AHA BHA and do that like a couple times a week and kind of alternate it with a retinol. So like exfoliator, retinol for my nighttime skincare routine, and then for my morning skincare routine, vitamin C and SPF. Definitely check out Face Foundry if you guys are in Kansas City. I'll have information below. I have some really fun specials for each month. I also got this really cute hat. Face Foundry also has a bunch of locations, so if you don't live in Kansas City, you might still have one near you. My sister's in town. We're doing some fun things around Kansas City. We're actually starting off at Chambray Coffee, and then we're gonna go to the Nelson Atkins Museum of Art and the Plaza.
Now she's going back to the store to get milk, and he's trying to make an excuse why he forgot the milk.
Good morning, it's a few days later. I just made my coffee. I'm gonna do my makeup. Say just sent me this makeup bag with a bunch of Say makeup. This has been on my wish list. Thank you, Say Beauty. I'll have a bunch of my favorites linked below, as well as the makeup bag. It's so cute and nice. It'll be fun to just do a little get ready with me. I actually have some really big life updates to share with you guys, so I thought we could just kind of chat and do some makeup. I'm gonna use this Say Glowy Super Gel in Warm Glow. I have this in Star Glow and I use it every day, but I've been loving this Warm Glow that they sent me. I'm also gonna use my Refi Glow and Sculpt Serum. I would love your guys' thoughts and feedback on the life updates that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Instead of foundation, I'm going to use this Say Slip Tint. I've been using this the last few days or so since I got it in the mail, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it just looks so good on the skin. It feels really good on the skin, and it makes my skin look very glowy as well. It has a good amount of coverage. Just love this so much. Now a little concealer. Now I'm gonna use the Say Cream Bronzer. This is in light bronze. I have some life updates to share with you guys. I'm moving. I'm actually gonna be moving out of my apartment in less than a month. This was definitely very sudden. I was not planning on doing this. It was not on my 2026 vision board. Due to some circumstances in my apartment, I had to make the decision to break my lease, which is so sad. I've loved living here. I'm not gonna give any details about the apartment that I live in because they've handled this so well. They've been super nice, very helpful, really gone out of their way to try to fix this problem. I have a brown recluse infestation in this apartment. If you're not familiar with brown recluses, they're super venomous spiders, very common in the Midwest. They say that it's rare to get bit and have severe symptoms. I've had 3 close calls where I almost got bit. There was actually one crawling on this chair the other day. I was like, I just can't do this. Sadly, I had to end my lease, and I truly have loved living here. Like, it makes me so sad because this was my first apartment and I've been here for 6 years. I toured some other apartment complexes, but I can't find any that I like as much as this one because it's kind of like a townhouse. I'm using this Say blush, by the way. Color's rosy. So I actually found a townhouse that I absolutely loved. It was like the perfect townhouse to buy instead of rent because I really am tired of renting and just like throwing my money away. Okay, whoa, what happened? This is why I can't multitask. I think I fixed it. That looks much better. Anyways, where was I? I went and looked at these townhouses. They were unfortunately just like a little bit outside of my price range. There are some really cute houses that are going to be built next year. I ended up deciding to just move home with my parents for the next year or so and save for a house. The goal is to own something in the next year. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you've moved home and lived with your parents, how your experience was. If you own a property, do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it like too much responsibility? I would love to know your guys' thoughts and feedback. Also, please let me know if you guys would still watch my videos if I'm living at home, because I feel like my content will definitely change a little bit and just like my lifestyle and routines are gonna look a little bit different. I do feel like more and more people are starting to move back home and save money. It's still kind of hard. Like, it's not where I thought I was gonna be at 28 living back back home with my parents. That is my update. Now I'm just adding some faux freckles. I feel like this adds a nice little touch for summer. Now just a little eyeshadow. For lip liner, I'm gonna use the Say lip liner in the shade Fox. This is kind of like a My Lips but better shade. It's like pretty nude. I'm obsessed with these Edam lip balms. If you guys want to try a new makeup product that you're gonna be obsessed with, I 100% recommend. I think I have like 6 of these now. I bought one and then they sent me a few more shades, but I'm seriously obsessed. This is the Butter Mochi, so it's just like a clear. They also have a really nice flavor and they're super hydrating. I'm pretty sure they have HA and BHA, so it gently exfoliates your lips, so it makes them super soft. I'm seriously obsessed. This is like my favorite makeup product ever. That's finished makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me and life update. I actually have a nail appointment here in a minute. I think I'm gonna do bright kind of cherry red nails. Here are the nails. I love this bright red color for summer. It's so fun and vibrant. I feel like anytime I do a color, I get really sick of it. So hopefully I don't get super sick of this. Now I'm just gonna go home and get some stuff done. I really need to plan out some content for the next couple months. Now everything is changing since I'm gonna be moving. I feel like I'm so behind. I have some short form content that I need to get sent in to some brands that I'm working with. I need to fully edit my YouTube video to post tomorrow morning. I actually still need to film a couple clips for it as well. So it's been like a really crazy past couple of days. I'll chat with you guys later. I feel like these nails will also look really cute for the Louis concert this week. Can't believe it's this week. I feel like I bought those tickets so long ago. I still need to figure out my outfit. That's also something that's been on my to-do list. List of some content I want to post on Instagram and TikTok, and I also updated my digital calendar with my YouTube uploads, so I'm feeling good. I'm feeling organized. I think I'm just gonna chill the rest of the evening. Good morning. Today is the Louis concert. I'm so excited. I have all my stuff ready. I have this clear bag with my jersey that he signed 10 years ago. I've got my outfit figured out, fake tanned. I'm ready to go. Just getting some work done this morning. Of course, listening to his album. I'm so excited. I wanted to wait till right before the concert to get ready. Luckily, my skin is cleared up. Running late, so I was rushing to get ready. Here is my outfit for the Louis concert. I have this sweater from Aritzia, shorts are Abercrombie, belt is Aritzia, and then I just have these black sandals. Hopefully I don't regret these. And I have my signed jersey. I might want to hold it up during the concert, so I just brought it. That is the outfit. Just finished up getting ready for the concert. I have my concert poster in the back. It says another selfie 10 years later with a picture of when I met Louis. It's like almost exactly 10 years from when I met him. Hair turned out pretty good today. I tried to do some little individual lashes and I'm having some issues because they keep getting stuck. Now we're just gonna get some dinner. I'm gonna get some pasta. Super excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Literally cannot even believe I'm seeing Louis. Just got to the venue. We got to our seats. What are you drinking? Well, lemonade.
It's the part of the show where I say thank you very much. Sing it with me. You named your cat after me. Is that a compliment? You know what, I really like cats. They're alright, they're alright. Nights like these, we'll remember stupid time.
Concert is over.
Oh,
so sad about
there was night changes,
like second stage, like by us.
and it was like right there. The entire set list and the visuals were just amazing. And he's right there. I know.
Just got a vanilla latte. I ran out of vanilla syrup and I was craving a vanilla latte. I thought I would treat myself to a latte. So good. I love the specific coffee shop. They always make it perfect. I wanted to chat with you guys about the concert and also just some life updates. I feel like a lot has changed since I started filming this vlog. When I first started filming this vlog, I wasn't even considering moving, and now I have a couple weeks to completely move out of my apartment. Life has been a little bit crazy lately. I did like a no makeup look today. I just did my brows and mascara. I put some face tan on, so it's like developing. I have been loving gradual tanners lately. It just completely rejuvenates and makes my tan look like I just did it. Makes it look really fresh. Today I used the Bali Body tanning milk, which I've tried before and I really love. Also, I love this tank top. I just got it from Organic Basics. Color, it's so vibrant. I feel like this is the hot color right now for summer. I want to chat with you guys about the concert. It was so much fun. I feel like I lost my voice a little bit because I sound like I'm getting over a sickness. I think it's just from screaming during the concert. I was screaming a lot. I was a little bit sad because it went by so quickly. I feel like concerts always do. I still want to go to the Harry concert. Nobody that I know is interested in going, spending money, going to New York. I really want to go. It's literally on my birthday. Okay, it's actually not on my birthday. He has some shows like right before and after my birthday, so I really want to go for my 29th birthday. We'll see if I can make it happen. Also, I was just kind of updating my July and August content calendar. Like I said, I wasn't originally planning to move. I think I already kind of talked about that. Now, obviously, I want to post like moving vlogs and moving and setting up my new room. I've been kind of working on that. I have some fun videos coming up at the end of the month, some moving content, organizing content, getting settled into my new / old childhood room. Also have a big trip coming up in less than 2 months, so I've been trying to figure out dinner reservations and itineraries. This summer has ended up being so crazy. I'm actually kind of dreading moving, to be totally honest. I've been at my apartment for 6 years. It was my first apartment. It actually makes me so sad to think about leaving, but there are things in my apartment that aren't completely my style. This is a short-term sacrifice for a long-term goal of owning a house. Some people have said since I'm single, I should just wait until I get married to own a house, but I really want to own a house like now. I want to live in a place where I can change things, make it my own. Also financially just kind of build equity instead of throwing my money away each month. For me and my situation, the best way to do that is just to move home. I'm super close with my parents and I actually hang out with my parents a lot anyways. I go over there for dinner a lot. It isn't going to be that bad to live there. I only say it's bad because it's not like a super exciting thing when you're 28 to go and move back home. It feels like a major step backwards. Gonna make the most of this chapter. I'm already thinking about how to make my childhood bedroom more aesthetic and cute. Currently it's a guest room and I'm looking at paint colors, some new bedroom decor. It's gonna be the main backdrop for all my content, so I want it to look aesthetic. That's what I've been up to. I wanted to give you guys a little update and chat with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Definitely stay tuned for the moving content. I have some really fun content planned over the next few months. I'm moving and then I'm going to Europe, and then it's gonna be fall, and then it's gonna be Christmas, and it's gonna be New Year's, and then it's gonna be spring, and then I'll probably be moving again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in a week for my next video. Bye.